Ooh. That's nice. That's nice. It's like when someone has a voice that's crazy, super deep.
That's nice.
But you weren't expecting it?
No.
Because you walk, you're like, hey, can I get your number? And she's all...
Why, yes. Here's my digits. Dial 911. Because you're about to die.
Oh, gosh. She's a serial killer?
No, I'm the serial killer. Wait, that'd be your bowl.
No, it's got to be your bowl.
Wow. So today we are going to be making an appetizer, a shareable, if you will. You said passable the other day, and that made me think of...
You wouldn't want to share a slider.
Well, way to just reveal it. Today we're going to be making a teriyaki slider with a special, like...
thing. Here we go.
Welcome to my show.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Hey, guess who I talked to the other day?
Who's that?
Leland. You know Leland.
Leland.
You see him in the comments.
Yeah,
yeah,
like off the chain cooking?
He's awesome.
Dude, that guy's all over it. He shares all of our stuff. I appreciate you.
Also wants to share in my my affection for you.
That's...
Hey Leland, what's up?
Griddle Nation, what's going on? This is Leland Goodman from Off the Chain Cooking. Well, I got a question for old CJ Frazier. Will you make teriyaki shrimp? Believe it or not, I just asked you to make shrimp. You got this?
In the words of my great-grandpappy, nah, dude.
Nah, dude. Is there a jet flying overhead?
Tower, this is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
There's no freaking way I'm making shrimp, guy. Sorry. What else you got?
Come on, man. Shrimp? All right, let's cut the shrimp out. Teriyaki burgers. Hey, here's a little motivation.
Now that I can handle. It just so happens that I'm prepared for it today. What are the odds?
Well, that ruins the illusion.
So that's what I'm gonna do today.
Diggity. He's still thinking about shrimp. He's intoxicated by the thought of shrimp. Give me a ring-a-ding-ding. Oh, don't get...
I almost abused it.
Let's nail this.
All right, let's do this.
If we're gonna what?
No, we haven't started.
What?
Nothing.
Where are you going?
Nowhere.
That's not accurate.
Listen up.
Move out of the way.
Listen up.
That's not
We technically...
Where's the mayo?
I don't... Ah!
What an idiot! No, I wasn't even ready. I hope you could hear this stuff dropping.
What are you talking about?
How's it going?
Let's do this, okay?
Yeah, let's go.
Can we just cut it out with the freaking games?
The tomfoolery? The shenanigizing? Yeah. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh gosh.
This is gonna be a fun addition to the slider / burger. We're gonna, for all intents and purposes, we're calling it a slider because this is gonna be an appetizer style meal. That's all I want to say about that.
And that's all I have to say about that.
So we've got this fun pre-made slaw. Go to your grocery store, it's in a bag, it's ready to go, it's super easy. We're kind of gonna be making like a vinaigrette, essentially.
Yeah, and we've got an ingredient that I introduced you to.
You did.
Ponzu.
So let's go down in here with this. I'm eyeballing this. I have zero idea how much I should use. A good amount there. I might need to come back to that. We shall see. I need a little bit of oil.
Oh.
A little bit of oil. We're not gonna be doing too much in there.
The oil's really mostly just to give it a sheen and kind of, whoa, got bright. Give it a sheen and tie in all the flavors.
Then we're gonna give it that little punch. Really, whoa, dude, I would have poured this thinking there was a spout.
Ooh, that would have
been dangerous, and I would have ruined
Will
this.
Robinson.
Because sesame oil, which I have learned in the past, man, it can go a long way.
Whoa. Yeah, that was...
You were nervous.
Yeah.
You were nervous. And how do we heat it up?
You want to heat it up? Oh.
We're gonna add a little bit of heat. This is gonna give us, I like the heat, and I know you do too, so, oh gosh, I thought I was about to have to make a run for the salt and pepper. Got a little nervous there, because you are in the business of sabotaging.
I wasn't nervous.
So we're gonna give that a nice pinch, salt and pepper.
I like it.
A little bit of more pepper.
Yep.
I'm gonna add a bit more ponzu.
Okay.
Hey, that was a rhyme.
What's it?
And just in time.
Quit rhyming, I mean it.
Anybody want a peanut?
Added that bit of ponzu. I'm gonna try this one more time and see.
It looks phenomenal.
Whoa.
Take it easy there.
See what I think here. Magic.
Wotown.
Wotown. Wotown
Records.
Wotown Records. That was a good one that you
Thank
did.
you.
Okay, so the burgers are gonna be really fast, so let's work on our sauce real quick. That way we have everything ready to go.
Well, these little small, tiny burgers cook really fast.
Yeah, they do. These sliders are gonna really.
The huh?
The whaty?
Huh?
Dukes, it's the mayo of choice.
Mayo champions.
Yeah. So we're gonna do, this is gonna be a really simple sauce. We're gonna do equal parts mayo, and we're gonna do some teriyaki.
Oh, heck yeah.
Now, I suppose you could make your own teriyaki.
Or if you have your favorite brand.
But why, when you've just got a really fun...
Wait, doesn't Todd have like a brand he put on the map?
Oh, really?
No, he has a favorite brand.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Mr. Miyagi's.
Thunderfloor. So we're gonna do equal parts mayo and then just equal parts teriyaki. I'm gonna do a little bit more teriyaki actually, because I really like teriyaki sauce. And let's, oh wait.
What happened?
I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper.
Oh, okay. All right.
And a pinch of salt.
I like it.
Because I like to add those ingredients to everything. So
how creative of you.
Hate you.
Let's see how this tastes. Let's move on to burgers. Oh shoot.
No, really?
No.
Oh, you.
See? Yeah.
See?
There we go. Let's form some little burger balls.
Shall we?
Little burger balls.
Laces out.
They're little footballs.
Laces out.
These ones we're gonna do, normally with like a smash burger, we're at like the 4 ounce-ish amount. These are tiny little burger buns.
Well, yeah, they're
little sliders.
They're mini burgers.
They're little appetizers.
They're mini burgers.
So we're gonna go more like a 2 ounce patty. We're making little baby meatballs. Little balls.
You can't say it and not ring in my head. What do you know?
They're little footballs.
I just can't not.
I know. Yeah.
Something's wrong with us.
I know. Well, we just like good movies, and that's a great.
Let's do
character.
3, because I'll eat 2 and you can have 1. With your baby hands.
Small hands.
These are not baby hands. These are man
I wasn't
hands.
talking to you.
I wasn't talking to you.
We'll leave those there. We're gonna add a bit of olive oil.
Bit of oil.
Spread this out.
So you really want to have your griddle on high heat for sliders. I mean, obviously, mini burgers. Dang it.
Ah, yeah!
You really want high heat for 2 reasons. We want that quick Maillard reaction. We want that beautiful crust. We also don't want them to be on there forever, so they maintain some of their juice.
Hey, why don't you stop yapping and let me season real quick?
Okay.
So I'm gonna do a little bit of salt.
All right.
Of course, ground pepper.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, a little bit of garlic powder.
I like it. Ooh, that's a lot on the griddle.
I know it.
Living dangerously.
Yeah, you know.
Smells
And
good.
then
Oh, show me that.
some ground ginger. Tell me why we're gonna use ginger.
Ginger is just such a lovely, wonderful flavor, and we've got the grill smoking hot. If we were to use fresh ginger, it would burn.
Right, like similar to garlic.
Yeah, it would burn before we got that beautiful crust.
All right, quit your yapping. I asked you. I asked you to yap.
Shut your yap.
Okay, and let's see if I can actually do this.
Okay.
All right.
Go quick. Go quick. Yeah.
Oh.
One more try. Come
Hold
on.
on.
It's more of a rocking motion than pulling.
When
that works.
when the griddle's rocking, don't
Yeah.
come a knocking.
Ooh,
Sort of
that
thing.
was bad.
Yeah. So.
There you go.
All right.
Rock it, rock it, rock it.
I don't wanna.
rock
I don't
it.
wanna.
Okay.
There we go. I don't wanna. Yeah. Oh, I don't wanna.
What's with the wiggling?
I don't know. That was a rock.
Those look great.
That was a
look
rock.
really good.
You said rock.
No, I said the rock.
Welcome to the rock.
Welcome to the rock.
Can I have a drink if you don't ding?
No. This is what happens if you drink when there's no ding. An angel loses its wing.
An angel loses its wing.
Let's
Yo
talk
buns.
about buns,
Buns.
baby. Let's talk about you and me.
That's not what the song is about.
I like big buns in a can. But these are little buns. 12 sliced slider. Say it with me.
I'm not
slider.
saying you and Martin's
Look,
are wrong.
I don't need you to talk to
I'm
me.
just saying.
Stop talking. Come back. We're gonna toast these buns real quick. This is gonna be great because we're gonna be adding some fun sauce, and it's just gonna be a good texture with these slider style burgers. I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil. You know what? Let's go ahead and do these flips.
Oh,
yeah.
beauty. Look
Yeah.
at that. That is called crust heaven, my
Little
friend.
slider style.
Boom.
We're about to sauce those as well, but
What do you
for
got
good
here?
measure, we're gonna throw on a bit of our teriyaki.
Oh, we've forgotten a really important part, and you got to do it really fast.
Just the pineapple.
Hurry!
I'm on it.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
That's good, dude. That's. Is it just one giant hunk?
Yeah. Well,
Just like me.
yes, Oh, you beat me. You got seconds, bruh.
Let me get this
Oh
out of
my
there.
gosh.
Dude, just
Leave me a comment down below. Is the bread burnt?
No.
Okay.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
But let's go double check. No!
Oh, it's close.
It was close. Nope.
Oh, wait
Nope.
a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, that's a little toasty. No. So,
My spinach puffs.
I'm gonna get rid of that one, and you're gonna toast one more.
Yeah, you know,
You know.
do what you gotta do. CJ never burns stuff.
Hey, and neither do you, guy.
Yeah, I know I don't.
Hashtag salmon salad. Uh-oh.
Hashtag it was gorgeous and beautiful and perfect.
You're into burnt crap.
That's all right. Nobody watched that video anyway.
All right, I'm gonna pull these off. Woo!
Whoa.
They're toasty.
Sunshine's pretty bright too.
Yep.
Those actually look pretty lovely.
Saved them.
I think I threw away one top and one more. Wait.
Wait,
Wait.
wait.
Wait. Yeah, I threw away. Yeah. That is because I'm stupid. I'm
like
gonna just
this part of
toast
the
one
show.
more for good measure.
I like this
And
part
I'm
of
gonna
the show.
move. I'm gonna move the buns, the burgers.
Because we don't want those to burn too.
You know, I really just wish you would get on my team for once.
I am on your team.
I'm on your team. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna be right off the edge there. That's gonna be fun.
Be good.
I planned that from the beginning. I said, Nate,
I think we're
need
gonna be
you-
okay here.
I said, don't get a fresh pineapple because if you get them pre-cut, then they'll be perfectly set up for the slider.
No one said that.
Nope. All right, so we've got 3. I'm gonna turn this off because we are done.
Well, except for the cooking of the pineapple.
Oh, jeez. You know
We
what?
need some
I'm gonna just.
caramelization. It's cold.
The griddle is actually still really
That's
hot.
true.
Really, really hot.
So we just skipped the last one, or are you gonna make one a double?
No, there. Oh, I made 4. I really got to rally here. I'm gonna.
Are
I'm gonna
you
need
sure
a,
you made 4? Because I think we're missing.
There's.
Oh no.
Oh.
That would hurt.
Right. All right. Look, I burnt a bottom, so I'm making another bottom.
Okay. Just
we
the
go.
bottom.
Just the bottom.
How are our pineapples looking there,
They
guy?
are doing pretty delish.
we
Okay, so
building?
here are. No, I'm just making sure I've got the appropriate amount of bottoms and tops. Let's start assembling.
All right.
We're gonna give this. Yeah, we don't want these to be dry. Obviously, we've got some fun ingredients here.
I feel like sauce is one of those places where people often forget you can add a ton of flavor to your Burger Town just by having a fun sauce. Whoa. Pro moves. Doing a pine. Oh, wow.
Maybe not.
Wowzer.
Okay, let's throw these guys on here. Let's see if they're gonna fit. Oh man, this is
I feel
awesome.
good about that.
Ow! Except there's one problem.
They're really hot?
Nope, I only made 3 pineapples instead of 4.
Well, which one do I get? One without the pineapple?
I could just slice this guy up real quick.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh,
Everyone wait-
jeez.
Oh, man. Man, you're struggling today, guy.
I'm on a struggle bus, headed for Tooltown.
Tooltown?
Yeah,
I
it's
like
like
this technique.
Toontown.
It's like Toontown?
Yeah.
Oh, man!
Gonna toast that up too real quick. Let's get this one piece right here set on.
Oh, I'm feeling good about this.
Patties might be a little small for that pineapple.
Oh.
It's gonna be surrounded.
You put 2 on 1. Here we go.
Surrounded by.
You do 2.
We're gonna
2
do
patties. It's a double.
it's a pineapple moat. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh! Ooh!
Man, struggle bus for real.
You know
so
what?
We're making 2 burgers today.
I planned on only having 2
Yeah,
burgers.
totally. a little double.
Oh man, dude, I'm
Sauce.
sorry, but that sauce is so good. I'm gonna give that one more toss so we get all those juices flowing.
Overtures like that get my juices flowing.
Really excited about
Quite
this fresh kind of crunch.
Yeah. You might want to hit that with more teriyaki sauce.
I think you might be onto something.
Was I reading your mind?
Here, let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Let's ask cameraman number 2.
Okay.
Would you prefer more of this sauce, or would you prefer more teriyaki sauce?
Teriyaki.
Okay, teriyaki it is. Pick 'em up.
Pick 'em up!
Big gulps. I did a different quote.
I'm gonna just drizzle over the top, and then we are going to crown.
Oh, there comes that beautiful breeze, that Florida breeze.
It's heaven out here today.
Oh, it's nice.
I'm in heaven. Now that we've taken our moment to properly capture this on film,
gander.
here's a couple things. Come back up here.
Where?
Come back up here. Come back up here. Things
All the
I've-
way up, or?
well, just up here.
Okay.
Up here. Things learned. Number 1,
Number 1.
2-ounce patties aren't gonna cut it with this one.
Got it.
Wait, where are you?
I'm putting off the look. There's text next to your face. You can't see it.
Oh, here.
Well, up higher, a little higher. There's one.
2-ounce patties aren't gonna cut it unless you use 2, in which case that would be 4.
Glad you made that adjustment.
Your slaw, work that out to the flavor consistency that you want. I added a bit more ponzu at the end. You could add
Wait, is
more.
that the number 2? Because I still have a 2 just hanging there. Okay, and we're back.
Back over here.
So there's not 3 things.
Did I say 3?
Yeah, you said 3 things.
Well, that's number 1. Number 2
Oh,
is.
we're back. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's on me!
That was great.
Your patties, work out the size. Honestly, I had never made this kind of slider style. Well, we're back over there still. Hadn't made this slider style. You want the patties to be the right size. So if you have to use 2 of them, do it. If you have to make a bigger patty, do it. Adjust your flavors of your sauces as you go. The slaw, I felt like it needed a bit more ponzu, so I added that. And I feel like it's perfect now.
Yeah, you're ready to get into it.
I'm ready to do this.
I
We
don't
worked
think
out
you-
all the science. I took care of all the kinks.
Oh, that's number 4. Sorry, number 4. Worked out all the science.
Oh, jeez. Number 5, ring the bell, because I'm tired of hearing Nate talk.
I know where my drink is.
There
Hey.
it is. Oh,
Whoa. Textures.
that was perfect.
Boom sauce.
Boom. Oh, I guess we could call it boom sauce.
Well, I guess we just did.
Battery dead? Okay, it's all right.
First.
First day on the job. There it is, folks. We are done. We worked this giant debacle of my cooking session out. I burnt buns. I didn't cut enough pineapple.
And it still turned out amazing.
I made my patties too small, but we compensated. Nate's used to doing that all the time.
That doesn't even make any sense because you're the one with the small patties.
Guys, I'm gonna segue out of that into Leland. Seriously, solid idea. I hope this met the expectation. So,
Hey!
Leland, cheers to you, my friend.
You got to make it now, Leland. You go make it and pose.
Do
and
it.
tag us.
And yours is probably gonna be better than mine because I paved the way for you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You're welcome, Leland.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first.